Windows are one of the most important features of a home, serving both practical and aesthetic purposes. Whether you need to install new windows, replace old ones, or repair damage, professional window services in Houston can make a significant difference. Not only do these services provide high-quality results, but they also offer homeowners a range of benefits that can enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall value of a home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of professional window services in Houston is the improvement in energy efficiency. Over time, windows can develop leaks, cracks, or become poorly insulated. These issues can cause drafts and allow heated or cooled air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and increased wear and tear on your heating and cooling systems. Professional window contractors can inspect and repair or replace your windows with energy-efficient alternatives. They can install double-paned, low-E glass windows that provide better insulation, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This not only reduces your energy consumption but also lowers your monthly utility bills, providing long-term savings. Improved curb appeal. Windows play a major role in the overall appearance of a home. Outdated or damaged windows can make even the most beautiful home look neglected. By opting for professional window services, homeowners can choose from a variety of stylish, modern window designs that complement their home's architecture. Whether you prefer classic styles like double-hung windows or contemporary options like casement or picture windows, professional window installers in Houston can help you select the perfect windows for your home. New windows can dramatically enhance the curb appeal of your property, making it more inviting and visually appealing to both family and guests. Increased home value. When homeowners invest in high-quality windows and window services, they're also increasing the value of their home. Buyers often consider windows when looking for a new property, especially if they are energy efficient and well-maintained. Homes with new windows tend to have better resale value, making them more competitive in the market. Additionally, quality window installations and upgrades can make your home stand out among others in Houston. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to improve its long-term value, professional window services can be a smart investment that pays off. Expert installation and repairs. When it comes to window installation or repairs, hiring a professional ensures the job is done right the first time. Installing windows isn't as simple as it may seem. Improper installation can lead to issues such as gaps, leaks, and drafts, which may cause more problems down the road. Professional window service providers in Houston have the expertise, tools, and experience to handle the complexities of window installation and repairs. They know how to ensure the correct fit and seal, minimizing the risk of further damage or inefficiency. This peace of mind can help you avoid costly mistakes and enjoy windows that function properly for years to come. Better security and safety. Windows are crucial for both the security and safety of your home. Old or damaged windows may be more susceptible to break-ins or accidental damage. Professional window services can provide you with options for enhanced security, such as impact-resistant glass or windows with advanced locking mechanisms. In addition, the installation of proper windows can ensure that your home is safe in case of an emergency. For instance, windows that open easily can serve as an exit route during a fire or other emergencies. Professionals can help ensure that your windows meet safety standards, providing protection for your family. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling city like Houston means you might often be exposed to unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction. High-quality windows, particularly those with double-glazed panes, can help reduce external noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Professional window services can provide solutions to minimize sound disturbances, giving you a more relaxing home environment. Whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or simply seeking some peace and quiet, noise-reducing windows can be a game-changer. Long-term durability. Finally, professional window services can offer durable, long-lasting products. With proper care and maintenance, professionally installed windows can last for decades, saving homeowners the cost and hassle of frequent repairs or replacements. Whether it's with high-quality materials or expert craftsmanship, professional window services in Houston ensure that your windows continue to perform optimally for years. Conclusion. Homeowners in Houston can benefit greatly from professional window services. From improving energy efficiency to boosting curb appeal and increasing home value, new or well-maintained windows are an essential investment. Whether you're upgrading your windows for better performance or aesthetics, or need repairs to restore their function, professional window services provide the expertise and quality you need for lasting results.